Hey, Martin Newmark at Abacus Inspection here. I just thought I would show you the damage from a hailstorm that happened about a year ago. It was in June of 2018 here in Louisville, Colorado, and it was like a hailstorm of hailstorms. And I'm up on my roof, which has not been repaired yet, but I thought I'd show you some of the damage that hail does. Here's a piece, a spot right there. It's soft. It's essentially broken through the that shingle layer. I can't do that anywhere else on a shingle, but where that hail is hit, I'm tearing off a layer of shingle. Okay, and you can see they're all over the place. It's all over this roof, and I can zero in on spots like this, and like this, and like this, and they are literally everywhere. It also shows kind of the classic damage by a hailstone, where it leaves granules in the center but blasts them away toward the side. And I believe that's because when the ice ball hits, the center continues moving down and just crushes this area, whereas on the outside it splatters out because it's a ball and it's crushing, and it splatters out and removes the insulation or the granules here. Okay, so that's a classic hail ball hit. Here's another one, a ring. You can't easily fake this. Okay, here's all this damage. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. Another classic one. Okay, all over the place. And then my skylight here, you can see a lot of damage. Smaller hail hits along the bottom here. Perhaps you can see that, but here's a great big one, and look at that. So this skylight will be replaced very shortly, and these are the other levels of my roof down here, and then over there. This one I've marked, circled as many hail hits as I could, and you can see how many hail hits this roof has actually taken. Here I wanted to show you some. This one's especially bad. It's broken through the top layer, and underneath is the seam of another one. So all that's down here on the other side of this is tar paper. Okay, so that is you're looking for that to leak sometime. But this is massive damage from a hailstorm. I thought I'd share it with you. And then another cool thing to see is the top of this vent. Look at how bashed in this thing is. So that'll have to be replaced as well. There's hail hits on the backside too, but the storm did come from that direction mostly, and so there's not as much on this backside slope, but this front side slope is just demolished. And this is about 9 months worth of wear after the storm hit. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, and have a wonderful day.